Hey guys, I'm not having a webcam, so yeah, but lots of people play this game, so I'm like, okay. Now, it's called Animal Jam, if I'm correct. Yeah, everybody plays it, so I'm just gonna choose a wolf.
Click the arrow buttons to pick a fun new name for your animal.
Okay, so we're going to go for Professor. Scary. Ninja. Professor Scary Ninja.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl. Then create a unique username and password for your account. Ask a parent for help if you need to.
Okay, so I'm not giving you my personal info, so yeah. Okay, so somebody had Jurassic World 36, well, I just added a 0.
Welcome to your new home! My name is Pet, and I'd like to show you around. Follow me!
So I'm guessing... Oh, you just click. Yahoo! Okay.
Here in Jamaa, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours.
So we click here.
You can choose and combine lots of different colors. You can change the shape and color of your eyes. And you can create lots of different colorful patterns.
Okay.
Why don't you give it a try? When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit.
Okay. So, since I am Jurassic World 36, I'm gonna do that. No. What's this? I do dark blue? Yeah, that looks good. Now, I'm gonna do eyes.
When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit.
I think these. And then, I'm gonna kind of pattern like.
When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit.
No! I think I like this one for fire. Where's orange? Yeah. Oh.
When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit.
Hey, no. Okay. Okay, so
everyone seems to love the new you.
Color
How
me
do you
red.
feel about it?
So what is emotes?
To show others how you're feeling. I know just what you mean. Hey, look! Free stuff!
Where? Oh. Okay. We click this, I'm guessing. Loading. Click to get your treasure.
Hey, look! Free stuff!
1,500 gems. And guys,
wow! Look at all those gems!
Any suggestions for?
How many did you find?
1,500. If you have any suggestions for any videos, just tell me, comment down below. Awesome. Oh, wait. Awesome. Well, I already have 2,500.
Wow, you sure are lucky. You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jamaa, along with lots of places to spend them.
Yeah,
you'll also find lots of games, adventures, shops, and even parties.
Ooh.
I think you're ready to explore on your own.
Okay.
This way, to Jamaa!
Well, just saying to explore on our own, and now there. So I go here. Join the club. Okay. Oh, this is welcome to your den. Your own place in German to call home. Of course, no den is gonna wait until the decorate. Click on that. Okay.
Welcome to your den.
Okay, thank you. These are your den items. Click on the picture of an item to place
These
it
are your
on.
den items. Click on the picture of an item to place it in your den.
You might want to, my clicking and dragging. Oh, this is
You can
going.
move items around by clicking and dragging them around your den. You can also
This is-
click the arrow to rotate items and click the X button to put them away. Go ahead and give it a try.
How do I? Oh, I have to X. Oh wait, do these cost stuff? I think they cost. I think yeah, this should be like a little welcome rug, and then yeah.
You can move items around by clicking and dragging them around your den. You can also click the arrow to rotate items
Okay.
and click the X button to put them away.
Okay, and then wait, is there any? Wait, what? Wait. Okay, wait. So,
You can move items around by clicking and dragging them around your den.
please, can you be quiet? Ah, thank you. What do I do with the window? Ah, X. Move over here, just a little bit over here. Yes. Edit.
You can move items around by clicking and dragging them around your den. You can also
No.
click the arrow to rotate items and
How
click
do
the
I-
X button to put them away. Go ahead and give it a try.
We know. Okay. Switching actions. Pop. Oh, why is my chat? Let's see. Can I help someone through who, which? Meet me at. Let's play this. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Man, things. I'm just gonna click something. Okay. Wait, can you stop hopping? Thank you. What do I do next? This is just a world map. Here's a map. Where am I? I think I'm in Yama or something like that. Jama Town. I think that's it. Yeah, I think I'm here. Oh. Okay, so I might play some of this in the middle, explore around, find stuff. This is taking forever. But yeah, guys, tell your friends about my channel, and yeah, if you have any suggestions, just tell me, and I will try to do my best. Okay, I'm just going to come over here where there's nobody. How do I get into my house? Den. Okay. Where's that person? I want to know. Okay, the one time that I want her, the person. Okay. Edit den. Is
You
there
can
a
move items around by clicking and dragging them around your... You can move...
Okay. Let's go shopping.
Wow! Look at all those great den items! You can click on any item to...
Wait, there's something. Furniture. All furnitures. Okay. So I'm gonna try to, let's see how far. Wait, can you just do this? How much longer do I have for this video? Not too long, cause I don't know. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna discover what to do next after this, and I'll see you guys next time. Good. Bye. I don't know why I'm doing this. Subscribe. Subscribe to my sister's channel. She's the one that made me discover this game. Bye.